you should have your 3 tools, and then you can just set your green folder aside. We're going to talk about some of our words that we read yesterday in our decodable. Let's look at this word. We know we can divide it between the two consonants. We have vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. So we're going to divide it in between those 2 consonants. So let's sound it out. B, a, n. Ban, d, it, dit. Bandit, bandit. So what's my word? Bandit. All right, let's look at another one. Right now you're just looking, you're not writing. Okay? Let's look at this word. We know we can split it between our consonants. This one is easier because he's got the twin letters. We know I can split it right between. Okay? So let's sound it out. K, it, kit, t, n, ten, kitten. We know this word is kitten. All right? We'll do one more of these, and then we'll flip over and do some of our long E words. All right? I spot a vowel. Vowel, consonant, oops. Consonant, vowel. So where do I divide it? In between the consonants. Good. I, n, in. Got a sneaky E. He's going to make the I say his name. S, I, d. Side. Inside. Inside. Good. All right. This time you can pick up your marker. We're going to tap, map, and write some words. All right. Whoop. My board flew away. All right, the first word I want us to write is sweep. Say it. Sweep. Let's tap it. S, w, e, p. We know my E is long. This week he doesn't have a sneaky E. If he's in the middle, he's going to be our twin E's. So let's do it with our fingers since we have a blend. S, w, sw, e, p, sweep. Write it. Remember, our S and our W are a blend. They each get their own box because they're their own sounds. Our 2 E's make one sound, so they share a box. Sweep. All right, let's erase it. And do the next one. Let's do meat. Say it. Meat. Let's tap it. Eat. Meat. We know our E is long, and if he's in the middle, he's going to be squished, our 2 twin E's. So let's map it. Eat. Write it. E. Remember, your 2 E's are squished together. T, meat. Okay? This next one is queen. What's the word? Queen. Let's tap it. Qu, e, n. Our E's are long, so they're going to be our twin letters squished in the middle because they're in the middle, so we know that they're the 2 E's. What sound says qu? Our Q, and he is glued to the letter U. So they are a digraph. They have one box because they make one sound. Qu, e, n. Queen. All right? Last one. Sheep. What's the word? Sheep. Tap it. Sh, e, p. Sheep. Map it. Sh, e, p. Let's write it. We know our long E's in the middle, so when he's in the middle, our twin E's are squished together. Our sh is our SH that's stuck together. Sh, e, p. Sheep. Good. All right, I'm going to put the story for today expand it in your folder. So after you watch the video, open that up and read through the story, okay? You can read it to yourself, to your mom, to your brother, your sister, whoever you want to that's listening. Now you can get your green folder and look for this page, your Write the Word page. Let's look at the pictures and talk about what they are. This is sweep. Sweep. There we go. These are geese. Geese. Let's see. I think they're shaking hands. They are meet. They're meeting each other. Meet. We all know this number. It's the number 3. 3. This is cheese. Cheese. We know he starts with our digraph, CH. This is a queen. Queen. He is gone to bed. He is asleep. So he is a picture of sleep. Wheel. Wheel. Wheel has our digraph, WH. W. Then our last one is sheep. Sheep. Okay? So your job is to use your words at the bottom and write the word that matches. Okay? When you're done, put this back in your green folder. Do not throw it away. Do not lose it. Okay?